Awareness, Adaptation and Constraints in Climate-Smart Agriculture, a study on farmer perceptions and practices. By Nagratna C. Kurbeta and Geeta Tamgle. Climate change poses significant challenges to global agricultural systems, particularly for smallholder farmers who rely on rain-fed agriculture. As extreme weather events become more frequent and unpredictable, traditional farming practices are increasingly disrupted, leading to reduced crop yields, soil degradation, and heightened vulnerability to pests and diseases. In this context, climate-smart agriculture (CSA) has emerged as a critical approach to enhancing agricultural resilience, productivity, and environmental sustainability. This study was conducted to assess the awareness of farmers regarding CSA, examine the adaptation strategies they employ, and identify the constraints they face in adopting CSA practices. The study was conducted during 2018-19 in Dharwad district of Karnataka state, India. A total of 60 respondents were randomly selected and personally interviewed using a structured interview schedule. The collected data was analyzed with suitable statistical tools. The results of the study revealed that the majority of the respondents from Mummigatti, 86.67%, and Jodli, 66.70%, had a medium level of awareness regarding climate-smart agriculture. Majority of the respondents from Mummigatti, 80.00%, and Jodli, 73.30%, were found in the medium adaptation category. An equal percentage, 20.00% each, of the respondents from both villages belonged to the high adaptation category. The study also reveals that 70% of the respondents from both villages faced constraints like lack of knowledge about adaptive practices, lack of awareness about climate change issues, non-availability of inputs in time, lack of financial resources, poor support of local and national authorities with the climate-related issue, and higher cost of the agricultural inputs in order to cope with climatic variability. From the study, it can be concluded that providing information and local support from the authorities will be of immense use in the proper adaptation of site-specific climate-smart practices. The study also suggests that suitable policies and strategies should be taken in order to deal with the non-adaptation of climate-smart practices in the villages. This approach will help small landholders adapt to climate change without facing significant barriers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.